Hi friends, this video shows how to create multiple Google TV profiles. Go to settings, select settings icon from top right corner, go to accounts and profiles, then select add an account. Go down, select sign in on TV instead. Here we need to enter Gmail ID. Then submit. Then here we need to enter password. Then submit. Then we need to enter 6-digit verification code from the phone. Then submit, select accept, select confirm. Done. So now I have created a new Google TV profile. Let me verify. Go to top left corner, set switch accounts. Now we can see 3 accounts here. Anna, Jot. This is a profile which I created right now. Then kid 1. We can also go to settings, set settings from top right corner. Go to accounts and profiles. And here you can see that newly added profile. This way we can create multiple profiles. Okay. So you can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.